Dave Porter with Vouch Video. When it comes to pool construction, if you're looking for an expert pool builder and designer, I'm standing with Dixon Munns. Dixon Munns is with Elite Outdoor Living. Dixon, it's an absolute pleasure being on one of your projects. You're taking on some really wonderful projects that are being done not only in Mercer County, Gloucester County, Hunterdon County. People are calling you from afar for your design and build services around pools. So Dixon, tell me about the process and getting these large boulders into installing these slides.
We specialize in using granite boulders, which you see behind us, huge rocks that come out of the glacial moraine. We have quarries that deliver anywhere from 1 ton to 10 tons. And then my guys with their craftsmanship install, as you can see behind us, in these huge waterfalls, water slide projects.
You're not only hands-on, every detail of the project is cared for. I mean, I see that, and you're really creating award-winning landscapes and outdoor living environments. Tell me how important that is to you and your company.
Well, I want to be hands-on. It's important. These projects have so many details, and the clients make changes, I make changes. You can't hand it off to a supervisor and have the same product.
So when it comes to taking on these challenges, I like to always ask the pros, what could someone expect? What's the time from start to finish?
So a typical pool project this size can be from 3 to 6 months. It really depends on what's involved, scope. This one actually took a lot longer because of the zoning and the application we had to do for that, but typical pool is 3 to 6 months, I would say.
Tell me what people are requesting today.
We get both styles. This is a very natural project, freeform lines. We'll go the other direction too, very contemporary, very formal. Depends on the taste.
So Dixon, with your background and engineering background, I mean, you're running into a lot of requests around some really advanced systems that are out there with technology. Can you tell me about that?
So nowadays, everybody uses their phone. These pools now are tied to your iPhone or Droid, and you can control the water slides, the temperature. You can be at the airport and turn the hot tub on and tell it you want it on in 20 minutes or an hour. So we have all our low voltage lighting. Pretty much anything you want can be controlled by these smart pool panels, basically.
Dixon, it's an absolute pleasure being on one of your jobs. If you're looking for a great pool installer, a master pool designer that's going to be there with you every step of the way, take great care for every detail, infuse your project with the latest technology, and be able to help you really pull off an award-winning pool install, Dixon and Elite Outdoor Living is really a great call, and I look forward to recommending your pool services to anyone out there looking for a pool builder or designer. I want to thank you for taking the time with us today and really sharing some insight on what it takes to really pull off an award-winning pool design. Thanks again.